Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the active auto-renew voice pack so you don't accidentally cancel the wrong service. First, check subscription status. Send status to 1717 or dial *1717# because the exact pack name is required for deactivation. Also confirm your balance. UST sometimes fails on zero balance, so make sure there's at least a minimal amount. Once done, note the pack name and expiry date. This prevents gaps in service and ensures you apply the correct stop command in the next steps. Now you'll execute the deactivation. Use Ncell UST menu, dial *1717*2# and follow prompts to manage active packs. This guides you to disable auto-renew quickly. Alternatively, send an SMS. Type stop followed by the exact pack name and send to 1717 because precise syntax ensures the system recognizes the request. After sending a command, expect a confirmation SMS. If you don't receive one, wait 5 to 10 minutes and repeat, since network delays can leave the first. Finish by confirming the pack is deactivated. Recheck with status to 1717 or dial *1717# and view active services. If the pack still shows as active after a confirmed stop command, collect the confirmation message ID or timestamp and contact Ncell customer support. Provide these details so they can reverse a failed auto-renew. If things go wrong, restart your phone and reinsert the SIM before calling. This clears local registration issues and often resolves apparent subscription status errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.